Okay, so what you want to do here is get an empty plate, your dirty makeup brushes, extra virgin olive oil, and any kind of dishwashing liquid. It doesn't matter. I just use Gain, is what I always use, but you can get any kind. All right, so I'm gonna show you real quick what we're gonna do. Alrighty, so you guys see here, got the water going. You're gonna take this dish and you're gonna do half of that with soap, okay, and the other half you're going to do the olive oil, okay. So it should look exactly like this, like a half and half kind of thing. When you go into your brush, you take the brush and you give it a swoop through the soap and through the oil, okay, just one swoop. Put that aside. Take this, use the palm of your hand. That's the best makeup remover you have. And the ridges of your hand actually cleans the brush. Look at all of that product that's coming out. Look, see that? And you want to make sure that your brushes are actually clean, that you clean your brushes every 1 to 2 weeks. I do it every week only because I use them often. But if you're a person who doesn't use them very often, or you put light makeup on, you see how beautiful that is? Look at that. And then you let them dry. And I'm going to show you, you literally do that process with each and every one. You just half soap, half oil, go like this and rinse it out till it's all the way. And when you have them dry, you want to flatten them. You don't want to have them puffed out yet. Literally just flatten the entire thing. And then I have a trick for you guys with the noodles. Stay tuned.